Hi.
Bravo.
Can you please tell us your name?
Yasum Gemma.
And you're from Spain, right?
Yeah, from Catalonia.
And you're in Skopje on Critical Mass. Do you ride for the first time?
In the Critical Mass, yeah.
How did you get here in Skopje?
Well, it's a long way. I left Barcelona in July, and I went to Berlin, and then I joined a project called Ecotopia Bike Tour, and with them I ride until Cluj in Romania, around the Balkans, and then from Romania I went to Bulgaria, Thessaloniki, and from Thessaloniki I came here alone.
That's a very long road.
Yeah, very nice.
How long did it took you?
I think 5 months or something, because we stopped in projects and visiting like alternative and demonstrations. And
Did you maybe calculate the kilometers?
no,
You just ride.
yeah.
Okay, so you had the opportunity to ride in Skopje. Can
Yeah.
you tell something about the conditions?
Well, when I arrived in the city, I didn't have a map, and then I arrived just in some area, not in the center, and I thought that somebody was going to kill me because I saw the cars also between themselves, like the taxis crossing another car and the cars making mad, pitting themselves, and the bus is going, like, passing me very near and also like very angry, and I was like, okay, I finally go out from the road and I get in the pedestrian zone. But then when I was some days here, I went for the center and the old city, and this is okay. Well, the old city is like this, but like it's pedestrian, and then there it's okay. But in the road,
Not so much. So we ask this question every foreigner that we come upon in Skopje. On the scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate the city?
oh, okay,
For cycling.
yeah. Maybe 5. I don't know. Maybe 5 because when you get for example, the second day I take the bike was better because I was like taking care and with 4 eyes like looking around and it was okay then. But maybe for people who start or something, I think it's less than 5. Yeah.
Okay.
But the critical mass is very good.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Fala.
Thank you.
Yeah.